What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress teams, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to limit the amount of posts that your user can do on your WordPress website. So imagine that you hire a new editor for your blog and you would like to limit the amount of blog posts that this blogger can create for one per day. How to do this is what we're gonna learn in today's video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins. And right here, we're gonna click into Add New. Into the upper right corner, next to the keyword into Search Plugins field, you're gonna type User Posts Limit, and we're gonna install this one right here by Canvas. So click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But there's nothing to do right here. Just review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, and you scroll down just a little bit, and next to Tools you're gonna find Settings. Hover a mouse over it and you're gonna be able to find a new button right here, a new submenu called User Posts Limit. Click right here. And from here we have rules, tests, notifications, priority, plugin management capability, and the number. Okay, so what is this? Imagine that the rule 1, it's the guest or the editor. So text, post limit exceeded, can be a notification full screen, the permission, and the manage options. Okay, so simple as it is. Now we're gonna set the rule number 1, that is our editor. What kind of posts? Can be a post, a product, custom post type, okay, but normally it's a blog post. It's a limit for 2 posts per week. So after a cycle of a week, this gonna reloads and the user gonna be able to do another 2 posts for the new week. We're gonna save change. Got it. Now let's use the rule number 2, so the second rule. Same thing right here, but instead of editor, we're gonna select another user. Imagine that an author can do 1 post per week. So author, it's the rule number 2, can do 1 post per week. And we can keep creating all of the custom post types right here in the way that you want. Simple, easy, and effective. And you can keep doing more and more user rules in the case that you need. Okay, now we can do a rule number 3 and keep doing more and more in the way that you need. Simple, easy, and effective until you can find the options that you need and the combinations that you need to take full control of the management of your blog. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, and templates for free. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition with your premium blocks, assets, icons, templates, plugins, themes, and many more pro features to create the site of your dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!